To other news now, the police have arrested 2 persons following the killing of several persons in the Kingston Western Police Division yesterday. Here's Kirk Wright with the details.
4 persons were shot and killed in the Kingston Western Police Division yesterday within 24 hours. 2 of the most recent victims were killed in Tivoli Gardens sometime after 7 in a drive-by shooting.
Based on the report so far, about 7:30 p.m., a group of men traveling in a car with high-powered weapon entered the Tivoli community and opened fire at a group of persons who were sitting at a location in the community. During that incident, 3 persons were shot and injured. 2 later succumbed.
The police say after the shooting, they began patrolling the area and stopped a car which they believed was earlier used in the drive-by shooting in Tivoli Gardens.
2 men were arrested and are currently in custody. They also found some evidential material to include spent casing in the car that they are currently processing.
The police are now trying to find several men they believe can help them with their investigation and are asking them to report to the Kingston Western Police or the nearest police station.
The persons are mainly known by their aliases. There's one that goes by the name of Poopa, Coffee, Nero Blacks, Georgie, Booba. And these men are all said to be connected to the Spanglers and the Scream Corner gang that operates in the Kingston Western Division.
Before the killings in Tivoli Gardens, 2 men were killed, one in the Coronation Market and a suspected reprisal on Bond Street. The police say the latest killings are linked to reprisals from a recent murder in West Kingston. The area is now tense, but the police say members of the security forces have saturated the community in an effort to stop possible reprisals. The Kingston Western Police Division has now recorded 9 murders, 4 more than the comparative period last year. But they have also recorded 7 shootings, 3 less when compared to the similar period last year. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.